Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in so you can access account-specific details. This speeds the process. Once signed in, go straight to the main page and use the search bar in the header. If you know a username or email, type it now and press enter to fetch matching profiles. You do this because search results reveal both display names and handle names. Make sure to avoid logging out. Staying signed in makes the next steps faster and reveals private details you may own. You now open the target profile page and inspect the page source. This is where GitHub stores identifiers. Press Ctrl-Shift-I or right-click and choose Inspect. Once the developer tools appear, switch to the Network or Elements tab and reload the profile to capture requests. Look for API responses or HTML elements containing user ID, node ID, or data user ID. You do this because numeric ID are embedded in. Finally, confirm the numeric ID by calling the public API. Get /users/ username returns an ID field. You can run this in a terminal with curl or in the browser by viewing the JSON response. If you cannot see the ID, try a private window or temporarily disable extensions that alter page content, because ad blockers can hide network calls. If things still fail, clear browser cache or use a different account to reproduce the steps. This rules out permission or cache-related issues that often block visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.